be able to because I'm on my iPhone.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
not. Yeah. In the next session, perhaps, or if you want to tomorrow, not tomorrow is not possible. Wednesday I can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anjali has joined.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
That's good, sir.
We can
Yes.
check out if Anjali has we can check out with her.
Anjali, can you share your data?
Yes, sir, I can share.
হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আপনি কোথায় আছেন?
Is this visible, sir? Hello?
Yeah,
Hello.
it is visible.
Sir, today also I collected like 60 more data, 59 or 60 more from MBA students. This is the one.
Wow, very good. Okay. Now you go to the right side.
Okay.
So this is your data, na? Disagree,
Yes, sir.
strongly
Yes,
agree.
sir. These were 1, 2.
Achha, in your data, you have written the value as well as the text.
Sir, this is by default what Google has taken. Yes, because the options were made like that. Because ma'am actually made that form, so I think that is how it is.
No, then because we want value, we do not want text. So
Okay.
how do you manage? I do not know.
Sir, I think all of this then needed to be coded in just values.
No, it is a value associated with text. I think so.
Value is given, you have to clear this part of the thing. So you can write it.
You just click at least one cell so that we can get it. Only no, not the column.
Okay.
Only one cell. Yeah. And then yeah, now you can follow. 5- strongly agree.
Yes, sir.
So then how do you manage? It becomes difficult. Okay. But still, you have the Art Studio, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you select this one, this P column.
Okay, sir.
What is this? I think recycling.
Recycling of products is important.
Okay, so you have selected this one. Please select this one. Okay, and also the O also, because did you study environment? That is also there.
Okay.
So you can take do both. Yeah, then you copy
So,
both. Then you go to the art studio.
okay. So it is getting open. So
Yeah.
ज्यादा मोटी हो तोरा आपने आपको पतली करो क्योंकि साले मेरा मोटापा से तुम्हारा खाना हजम नहीं हो रहा क्या तुझे फर्क चलता है अब ध्यान रखना
Yeah, now you share the art studio.
okay. Yes, sir, I am doing that.
Dr. Nimrat, please you follow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What happened? Very big art.
So I don't know yeah, just now I have used it, but now I don't know something
Okay,
happened.
okay. Possibly it will come.
Yeah, I am again trying something.
Hello, Shati. How are you?
Hello, sir. So I'm good. How are you, sir?
Yeah, me also fine.
Yeah, yes, sir. So I submitted my research proposal finally yesterday.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, sir. So, I mean, please, if you find the time, please go through it once.
Here, I will check it
Yes,
tomorrow.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anjali, it is coming.
No, sir, I think it has gotten stuck. I don't know why, because I have used it for doing the assignment right now, but I don't know why it is not opening right now. I've
Okay,
stopped sharing also, but then also only that our logo is coming.
Okay, okay. No problem. I am sharing the data because there's some data that is already available here.
So
Uh,
Farah ma'am also has access to this document. If
Farah, do you
Yes,
have
sir.
this data?
So which data? Anjali's data?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can share.
Yes, sir.
You can apply this model that I have told you today in the morning. This
Yes,
file
sir.
dot choose, file dot choose.
Yes, sir.
That will take less time. Okay, Farah, you find it. I am sharing, huh? Otherwise time will be lost.
Yes, sir, sir. Actually, this is in Google Sheet and I can't save it in my this thing.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay.
That is the problem.
I understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is Art Studio. Okay. And I have the data ACH. ACH means achievement motivation. I have already shown you this data, but still, again, I am showing you. Okay. This is clear to all of you. 209 observation, 9 variables. Hello,
Yes, sir.
visible? Okay. So my interest is to find out item total correlation. That is, each item should be correlated with the total score. Therefore, I have to calculate the sum. So I am writing ACH SUM H sum equal to apply APPLY. Apply H comma 1 comma sum. Okay. So H is the data frame. 1 means row wise. Okay, row wise data, and the sum will be there. So I'm writing H sum. Now if I write print H sum. Okay, so I am getting 209 total score. Okay, so it is a 5-point scale. That means the maximum and the minimum data will be, which will be? Minimum data will be 9 and maximum data will be 45. No? Therefore, I can write down range bracket H sum.
45.
Okay. So the minimum data is 16 and the maximum data is 44 in the current data structure. Okay. Theoretically, it will be 9 and 45.
So I didn't get this 9 and 45.
Because 9 variables are there.
Okay, okay.
So 9 and minimum value is 1.
Okay.
Therefore, will be 9. Okay. Now, my intention is to find out the item total correlation. Okay. So I have to write down H call bind. That means column wise, I have to bind the data. So I'm writing C bind bracket H. Okay. C bind means column bind. R bind means row bind. So my intention is to find out the column bind. So H col bind is the vector. Okay, so if I write down H col bind, okay, so I will get all the data, H col bind. Now I can write down COR bracket H col bind, comma, H sum. Okay, because in case of the correlation, we want to correlate with the two values. Okay, so H col bind is one set, another one is the H sum is another set. So I am writing COR in bracket H col bind, comma, H sum, and then enter. Okay, so I find that these values, that is the new strategies, new solution. Okay, and the drive, feedback. So these are the important variables that is highly correlated with the achievement motivation. Is it clear or any question? This is clear, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am writing ACH REG equal to LM. LM means linear modeling. H means achievement motivation data frame. And we find new strategies, new solution. Okay, new solution. New solutions. And then tilde H sum. Okay. Now I write down summary bracket H reg. Okay. So now I am getting the H sum is predicting the total. Okay, significantly. So we find this is the probability value. So significantly, H sum is predicting the total, because we find the correlation is like this. Okay, therefore, we can get it. Now we can write down plot bracket H dollar new solution, comma, H sum. Okay. So now I am getting the plot. This plot is visible to you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
The plot is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I am writing ABLINE abline H rig. Okay, এটা just opposite করতে হবে। প্লটটাকে at sum dependent ভেরিয়েবলটাকে আগে দিই, then ACH dollar new strategies and new solutions. That is the plot. And applying rig. Okay. So you are getting the regression line. This is clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you can make the regression line in this manner. So please you write down all the commands that will be better for you for the correlation. So initially, I computed the row-wise sum. Okay. After that, I am making the column bind. That is the total data frame that is binded by the columns. Okay. And next, the core. Core means correlation. So H col bind, comma, H sum. After that, I am doing the regression. H reg equal to LM. LM means linear modeling. H dollar new solutions. That is the variable. And tilde H sum. And after that, we will get the simple regression. And next, we plot the data. We plot the data. And after that, we make the regression line. This is clear now.
Sir, this interpretation would be? Because this regression line, all the points are not coming near to regression line, sir. No? So
Yeah.
this will
So
not be the cause effect one, no, sir.
that means the values which are very close to the regression line, okay, they are best fit.
Hmm.
But the values which are away from the regression line, they are not best fit. For example, here there is one score. There is one score here.
Hmm.
So that means it is called the least square.
Least squared.
Least square. So distance from here to here and here to here, because you will find these two individuals. Sorry, there are three individuals are there. Okay, these three individuals, they fall on the regression line.
Yes.
You want to select the person who has high achievement motivation as well as the very high achievement motivation related to the new solution, then you can select these three persons.
Okay.
So these can be used for the selection purpose because they are on the regression line. They fall on the regression line. And if you think you want to select more number of people, then they are the first chance. The second chance will be these people.
Nearest one.
Yeah, the nearest one. So these two people.
Three people, sir. This first one here.
This is also.
Second, third, fourth. Four people.
But
Five
it
people.
is always better to
One.
select the people who are above.
Okay, why, sir? Above?
Because their score is better. But here the score is less.
Yes.
So score is better. So I think that is better. So you can take these three people. In this way, you can use the regression for the selection purpose.
Yes, sir.
Now I am coming to the cross tabulation. This is clear to all of you or any question?
Yes, sir.
Another thing I can show you. I am writing another vector. At sum, then tilde, then H dollar, new solutions plus ACH dollar, new strategies plus ACH dollar, drive plus ACH dollar, feedback. Okay. So what am I doing?
All high
Somebody,
scores you have taken
H
and relate it with total score.
to so what I get? That is a multiple regression.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is the multiple regression, 81% variance. These 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 variables accounted 81% variance of the total score of achievement motivation. That means my
Where it is
selection,
showing, sir? Sure, this is multiple R squared. It is.
multiple R square, it is written.
Means maximum is being contributed by these four.
These, yeah,
4.
these 4. Okay. So for the selection purpose, if you think that is you want to select the people who have very high achievement motivation, then you can think about these 4 instead of these 9 variables. So that means relative importance of variables for the prediction of achievement motivation that can be tested by this model. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Nimrat, clear? Shati, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, I am writing you H chi equal to chi square dot test. After that, H dollar new strategies. Sorry, another thing will table. Table. H new strategies, comma, H dollar new solutions. Okay. Another bracket will be there. What happened?
Plus sign you have put. There is a
Plus.
plus. This plus sign. Plus and bracket.
One second. I have to break down. ACH tab equal to table then H dollar new strategies, comma, H dollar new solutions. Yeah. Now H tab. This is clear to all of you. So two groups are there. One is the new strategy, another one is the new solution. Okay. And particularly this area, you will get more number of data. 4. So these new strategies, 53 people, they accepted new strategies as well as the new solution. That is the same frequency. So 4, and similarly, here is the 50 people, they prefer both 5 category for new strategy and new solution. Okay. This is clear? Now I am writing. Chi-square dot test bracket ACH TAB. Yeah. Now I get the chi-square value is 110,89 and DAP is the 16 and p-value is highly significant. Okay. That means these two sets of data, they are dependent with each other. They are related with each other. They are associated with each other, which we already received by this correlation statistics. Similarly, we are getting the same thing here also. And here you will get the warning message. Warning message, why? Because there is some frequency that is the 0 and 1. Okay. For that reason, it indicates that is you should consider the error factor. So that is the warning message. But keep in mind that is the expected frequency. That should be less than 5. But here, this is not the issue. Okay, this is the plot. Side by side. But this is not a very good plot. I have to write down bar plot. Yeah. Now it is the bar plot. I can write down here COL equal to C bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is to 5. Okay. This is clear to all of you.
Sir, what
This
is
is-
this beside equals to T?
T means true. Beside means, for example, this is the value and beside this value. Okay. So that indicates. And what is this H tab? H tab includes these two sets of data. One is the new strategy, another one is the new solution. Now you check, this is the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is close to 50. Huh? And this is more than
53.
50.
53.
This is 53.
Mm-hmm.
This is 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And 5 is 18.
Mm-hmm.
But in case of another 34, so this is the 34 and this is the 50. So that is the frequency.
Mm-hmm.
Because I am using the bar plot. So this is all about the cross tabulation. By using the cross tabulation, you can show the chi-square test as well as you can show the bar plot. Now, do you have any question? Can you tell me why the DAP is 16?
DF is
Row -1 into column -1. Huh? For that reason, DAP equal to 16. 4 and 4. For that reason, DAP is 16. This is clear to all of you?
Can you say that again, sir? Sorry.
4 into 4. That is column -1 and row -1. Row is 5. So
5
-1 means 4.
And this
And
also
column is 5.
-1 is
-1 means 4. So 4
Ah.
into 4, 16. That is the degrees of freedom. By using these degrees of freedom, you will find that is the chi-square value is highly significant. And you can show your distribution. For example, in your case, you will find different categorical variable. So you can do this chi-square statistics, no problem. But currently we cannot download your data. Therefore, it becomes difficult. Otherwise, you can download and you can do the analysis.
Yes, sir.
Farah has prepared one slide. Farah, can you share?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the cross tabulation that I have already discussed with you. She has written the primary goal of cross tabulation is to determine if there is a relationship or association between the variables being analyzed. I have shown the relationship between the two items. Next. Yeah, it shows that is the whether the observations will be independent or dependent. So in our research, we find they are dependent. And both variables are categorical variable. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And both variables are nominal and ordinal in nature. And definitely these data we collected following the random sampling procedure. Next. So I have shown you the chi-square test. And beside the chi-square test, you can do the phi or Cramer's phi or contingency coefficient. This is possible by using the formula. And data visualization, bar chart, stack bar chart, etc. that you can show. I have shown you the bar chart. Next. Yeah, this is the stack bar chart. Here you can find out the data frame. Male hoche 150 and 300. And female hoche 120 and 200. So that is the two categorical data. And next, creating one vector that is datum. So data will be considered as matrix. And then bar plot. So datum is the matrix. and call red and green. Finally, you get this. This is the datum as the matrix. Okay. And this is the stack bar chart. So here you can get the data. One category, 150 and 300, another one, 120 and 200. So two categories of data you can share.
Sir, here,
It is not side by side. It is the stack bar. So in case of male, you will find 150 and 300. So this is up to 150 and this is 300. And this is 120 and 200. So this is 120 and this is 200. That is the female. Okay. Next. Non-parametric statistics, chi-square, already discussed. Two hypotheses are there, null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Okay, next. Achha, here is one data set. The opinions of 90 unmarried persons and 100 married persons were secured on an attitude scale. Do the data indicate a significant difference in opinion in terms of marital status of the individual? So this is the observed data. And this is the row names, unmarried and married. Names are there. And this is the column name. Therefore, unmarried, married, agree, disagree, no opinion. So this is the distribution. After that, the chi-square test. And this chi-square test is significant. 0.01 level or 0.02 level is significant. Okay. That means there is some association between that. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, Varsha.
Sir, in our script, how to write and what we will expect in our script, sir?
Sorry, I cannot follow. What are you
Sir,
telling?
in our script, the questions which you gave, sir, in the assignment.
Oh, in the assignment.
Yes, sir, that one, our script one. How our script and console gets different, sir? What is being expected in our script? Our script, basically, we write the things, no, sir. We write
Yeah,
only
that
what
is the script. We are writing script. And in the console, we can write the script and immediately we will get the result. But
Yes.
in our script, we have to run the data.
Okay. So in
That
our
is the
script,
thing.
only when we write it, that becomes the script part.
Yeah,
When
script
we run
part.
it, it will go to console and
Yeah.
then it will show what we have asked for.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Advantages, you can write down many script in our script. After that, if you run, then automatically all the functions will be performed.
Okay.
It is not single.
Yes, yes, yes.
That is the advantage.
Means you can organize everything there and then finally
Yeah,
run
yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you, everybody. Best wishes to all of you. Now, SPSC students are joining.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Papia, how are you? Papia Banerjee?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.